Ever wondered how a self-driving car navigates the complex world around it without a human driver? This video will explain the technology behind autonomous vehicle vision. Self-driving cars are rapidly evolving, promising safer and more efficient transportation. But how exactly do these vehicles perceive and understand their surroundings? Let's dive in. The core challenge for autonomous vehicles is mimicking human perception, but with much greater speed and precision. They rely on an array of advanced technologies to build a detailed and constantly updated model of the world. To achieve reliable vision, self-driving cars don't rely on a single input. Instead, they use a concept called sensor fusion, combining data from various sensor types to create a robust and comprehensive picture. The primary sensor technologies employed include LiDAR, radar, and high-resolution cameras. Each offers unique advantages that compensate for the weaknesses of the others. LiDAR, which stands for Light Detection and Ranging, uses pulsed laser light to measure distances and create a detailed 3D map of the car's environment, day or night. Radar uses radio waves to detect the distance and velocity of objects. Crucially, it works effectively in adverse weather conditions like heavy rain, fog, or snow, where cameras or LiDAR might struggle. High-resolution cameras capture the visual world, allowing the car's computer vision system to read traffic signs, traffic lights, lane markings, and detect the color and texture of objects. Once the raw data is collected by the sensors, the car's onboard computers take over. This is where the magic of perception and processing happens, turning raw signals into actionable information. Sensor fusion combines the strengths of LiDAR's 3D mapping, radar's velocity data, and camera's visual input. This redundancy ensures accuracy, especially when one sensor is temporarily obstructed. Localization involves determining the car's exact position on a highly detailed map, often accurate down to a few centimeters, using GPS, internal measurement units, and sensor data correlation. Computer vision algorithms identify and categorize everything in the environment: pedestrians, cyclists, other vehicles, and stationary objects. This is crucial for anticipating actions. With a complete understanding of its surroundings, the car's artificial intelligence must make split-second driving decisions, a process involving prediction, planning, and control. The system predicts the likely path and future behavior of surrounding objects, such as a pedestrian stepping onto the road or another car changing lanes. This allows for safe and proactive driving. Finally, the planning component determines the safest and most efficient path, generating commands for acceleration, braking, and steering to execute the driving maneuver smoothly. From raw sensor data to complex driving decisions, the quote vision of a self-driving car is a sophisticated blend of hardware and artificial intelligence working seamlessly together. As technology advances, these systems will only become more refined, leading to even safer navigation, faster processing, and eventually, fully autonomous vehicles integrated into our daily lives. We hope this sheds some light on how self-driving cars perceive the world. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more deep dives into cutting-edge technology.